Welcome to the Debt Circle Key Roundup. Here are today's biggest updates from India's debt and capital markets.
From major bond issuances to banking, market reforms and corporate earnings, there's plenty to cover.
Bajaj Housing Finance has allotted 1,88,500 secured, redeemable non-convertible debentures worth rupees 1,885.09 crores at a 7.87% annual coupon, maturing in 2036.
The secured structure and annual coupon make it a significant debt market transaction for long-term investors.
DebtCircle has issued rupees 100 crores of non-convertible debentures to refinance debt, fund projects, and strengthen working capital.
The promoter-backed structure and BBB stable rating reflect a balanced approach to growth and capital management.
GetVantage has raised rupees 63 crores in its Series A1 round, expanding embedded cash flow financing for MSMEs.
The funding strengthens digital lending and addresses India's large MSME credit gap.
BSE Limited reported strong quarterly earnings with higher revenue and profit driven by robust market activity.
Continued investment in technology and infrastructure also supports its long-term growth strategy.
Poonawalla FinCorp is redeeming high-cost perpetual debentures ahead of a coupon increase to reduce borrowing costs.
The move improves its capital structure and reflects stronger financial health.
HSBC India posted higher profit, stronger corporate banking growth, and remained a leading mobilizer of foreign currency deposits.
That reinforces India's growing importance within HSBC's global business.
SEBI has proposed overseas depository receipts for real estate investment trusts and infrastructure investment trusts, while Gift City continues pushing for global equity listings.
Both initiatives aim to attract more foreign investment into India's capital markets.
Bank of Baroda plans to raise fresh capital through bonds, while Embassy Office Parks REIT reported healthy revenue, leasing, and distributions.
Those updates highlight continued confidence in India's debt market despite a challenging environment.
Bharti Airtel reported a strong quarter with higher profit and revenue, supported by solid customer growth across India and Africa.
Strong average revenue per user and continued subscriber additions underline Airtel's leadership in the telecom sector.
CRISIL assigned a AA stable rating to Vedanta Iron and Steel, backed by stronger financial performance and improving profitability.
The rating reflects low credit risk and reinforces investor confidence in the company's long-term outlook.
Banks have mobilized significant foreign currency non-resident bank deposits under the Reserve Bank of India's dollar-rupee forex swap facility.
Those inflows strengthen India's foreign exchange position and highlight continued confidence from non-resident Indian investors.
Mirae Asset India is recommending short-term corporate bonds, citing attractive yields compared with government securities.
The strategy offers investors a balance between better returns and controlled interest rate risk.
Agro Capital nearly doubled its profit by reducing operating costs and expanding higher yield lending segments.
The company continues focusing on operational efficiency and sustainable growth in the MSME lending space.
The Indian rupee strengthened after crude oil prices declined, while markets are closely watching the Reserve Bank of India's policy guidance.
Lower oil prices support the currency, but inflation and global developments remain key risks.
The Reserve Bank of India kept the repo rate unchanged with a neutral stance while maintaining a cautious outlook on inflation.
Stable policy provides confidence to borrowers and investors as the central bank balances growth with price stability.
NABARD withdrew its planned bond issue after investors demanded higher yields, reflecting cautious market sentiment.
Rising benchmark yields continue influencing borrowing costs across the debt market.
Graphite India approved a major bond fundraising plan, while Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank announced international expansion and stronger digital capabilities.
These developments show companies continuing to strengthen funding, expand operations, and prepare for future growth.
Reflex Industries reported strong profit growth, supported by higher ash and coal handling volumes and expanding renewable energy operations.
The company's growing order book also points towards steady earnings in the coming quarters.
The Reserve Bank of India has introduced a new deposit interest rate framework, requiring banks to disclose deposit rates uniformly across branches.
Greater transparency is expected to improve depositor confidence and create a more efficient banking environment.
The Monetary Policy Committee retained the repo rate and upgraded the economic growth outlook despite global uncertainties.
The focus remains on supporting growth while keeping inflation under control.
Corporate fundraising remained active with major debt issuances from Bajaj Housing Finance, DebtCircle, Graphite India, and Bank of Baroda.
that reflects continued confidence in debt markets as companies diversify their funding sources.
Regulatory reforms from SEBI, the Reserve Bank of India, and IFSCA continue strengthening India's financial ecosystem.
These measures aim to improve market transparency, attract foreign capital, and deepen investor participation.
Financial institutions are also focusing on digital lending, embedded finance, cybersecurity, and international expansion to drive future growth.
Technology is clearly becoming one of the biggest growth drivers across banking and financial services.
Despite global volatility, corporate earnings, capital raising, and foreign investment trends indicate resilience across India's financial sector.
Investors, however, will continue tracking inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical developments before making major investment decisions.
Overall, today's updates highlight stronger balance sheets, disciplined capital management, and growing confidence across debt and capital markets.
And with policy stability and ongoing reforms, the outlook for India's financial sector continues to remain constructive.
That's all for today's edition of the Debt Circle podcast. Thank you for joining us.
Stay connected for more updates on debt financing, banking, bonds, and capital markets. We'll see you in the next episode.